Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable VRR or variable refresh rate on DREAME 43Q100 TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control to open quick settings menu. Now one important condition is that your TV has to be switched to the gaming console source before you do that. And here in settings, we're gonna have to go to picture settings. Then in picture settings, navigate down to advanced settings and then scroll down until you find VRR option, which is located almost at the very bottom of this menu, and switch it on by switching this toggle to the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.